Basics and overview. Introduction to Internet, World Wide Web, web browsers, URL, web programs, HTML, tags, list tables, images, forms, frames, cascading style sheets, CSS, and its types. Introduction to JavaScript, declaring variables, functions, event handlers, on click, on submit, etc., and form validation. Introduction to Internet, a global computer network providing variety of information and communication facility consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. The guide is also available on the internet. The internet is the global system of interconnected computer network that use the internet protocol suite TSP or IP to link device worldwide. It is a network of networks that consist of private, public, academic, business, and government networks of local to global scope, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. The internet carries a vast range of information resources and services. Next, history of internet. This marvelous tool has quite a history that World War scenario. A need was realized to connect the top universities of the United States. This attempt as a result of Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA, which are formed at the end of 1950 after the Russian had climbed the space era with the launch of Sputnik. After the ARPA got success in 1969, it did not take experts to understand how much potential can interconnection do. During 1971, Ray made it to send electronic mail. This was a big step in the making open gateways for remote computer accessing, that is telnet. During all this time, rigorous paperwork was being done in all the elite research institutions. From giving every computer address, setting out everything was penned down. 1973 saw the preparation for the vital TCP or IP Ethernet services. Information Computer Emergency Rescue Team. Soon after the world got over the computer worm, World Wide Web. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, abbreviated as WW or the web, is an information space where documents and other web sources are identified by uniform resources locators, interlinked by the hypertext links, and can be accessed via the internet. English scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. He wrote the first web browser computer program in 1990 while employed in CERN in Switzerland. He wrote the first web browser computer program in 1990 while employed at CERN in Switzerland. The web browser was released outside CERN in 1991. The World Wide Web has been central of the development of the information age and is primarily tool billions of people used to interact the internet. Web pages are primarily text document formatted and annotated with hypertext markup language, HTML. Formatted text, web pages, video, audio, software components. Embedded hyperlinks. WW is another example of client and server computing. Each time a link is followed, the client is requesting a document, program, or sound file from a server, also called web browser. That's a part of the World Wide Web, serves up the document. The server uses a protocol called HTTP or Hypertext Transport Protocol. The standard for creating hypertext document for the W is a hypertext markup language or HTML. HTML essentially codes plain text documents. Browsers. WW clients are browser. The program you to use access the WW is known as a browser because it browses the WW and requests these hypertext documents. Browsers can be graphical, allows to see here the graphics and audio. Text only browsers. Those with no sound and graphics capability are also available. All of these programs understand HTTP and other internet protocols, FTP, Gopher, Mail, and new WW kind of one-stop shopping for internet users. These are the list of web browsers: World Wide Web, Whaler WW, Mossack Cello, IBM Web Explorer, Internet Explorer, Internet Explorer 4.0, AMIA 2.0, Conquer, Internet Explorer, Netscape, Opera, Firefox, Opera 8, Mozilla Firefox 2.0, Apple Safari, Google Chrome 1, Google Chrome 2.3, Google Chrome 9.16, Google Chrome 24.31, Google Chrome 32.39, Google Chrome 40.47, Google Chrome 48.55, Google Chrome 56 and 60. Uniform resource locators are URL. A uniform resource locator URL is the address of document found on the www. A uniform resource locator or URL is the address of a document found on the www. Browser interprets the information in the URL in order to connect the proper internet server and retrieve your desired document. Each time a click on hyperlink in a www document, instruct a browser to find the URL that embedded within the hyperlink. The element in URL, protocol, server address and file name. Hypertext protocol, HTTP, www.org.edu. File transfer protocol, FTP, ftp.dartmouth.edu. Telnet protocol, telnet.factcall.org. News protocol, news, ALT, rock, and roll stones. What are domains? Domains divided worldwide websites into categories based on the nature of their work. They form part of site address and uniform resource locator. Common top load level load means .com commercial enterprise, org organization site non-profits, etc. .net network, .edu educational site university school, government organization, .mil military site, .ent organization established by international treaty, .biz commercial and personal, .info commercial and personal, .info commercial and personal, .name personal sites. Additional 3-layer, 4-letter and longer top-layer domains are frequently added. Each country linked to the web has a 2-letter top-level domain. For example, .fr is France, .ie is Ireland. Multipurpose internet mail extensions. Multipurpose internet mail extensions, MIME, is an extension of the original internet email protocol. Lets people use the protocol to exchange different kinds of data files on the internet, audio, video, images, application programs, and other kinds, as well as ASCII text handled in the original protocol. The simple mail transport protocol. In 1991, Nathan Borstein of Wellcore proposed the IETF and SMTP, simple mail transport protocol, be extended so that internet, but mainly web, clients and servers could be organized, handle other kinds of data than ASCII text. As a result of new file types, were added to mail as a supported internet protocol file type. Thank you.